Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how I'm going to make this fish, like roasted fish, with my oven. So these are my fish. So
Hey
let's
guys,
wash
welcome
it
to another
and
video. So in
remove
this
all
video
the
I
nyama nyama inside.
just want
Okay,
to
so
take you
let's go.
guys along how I am going to roast this fish. Okay, so if you are still buying roasted fish in the market, oh my god, you are wasting your time. Okay, because sometimes you don't even know how they roast that fish. Like, I know they normally roast that fish really well, but I think it's good for you to do this at home. Okay, it's really good. Just buy your fish and dry it. Even if you are not using oven, do you know that you can use the natural way they normally use in making this thing, like firewood? I think that's even the best. I think that's even the best to do this. In this modern age, we use oven. For some of us that is not in in the rural area where we can get firewood and do these things, so this is what you need to do. Like, I've really missed this thing so much. I think this is the second time I am doing this thing, and the first time I did it, it has been long, like really long time. I'm that kind of person. I do not like head of fish, no matter the head. Even any head of fish, I don't like it. I always remove it. But in this case, I'm not removing it, but I will not eat it. Do you understand? I just want to leave it so that it will look beautiful with the fish. So this is my oil, this is my seasoning, and this is my ginger. This is ginger powder, and this is paprika. So I'm mixing those things together for me to achieve the way I want this fish to come out. I want it to, I really want the color to not like the normal color. I just want it to have something else. Okay, so guys, let's see if it's going to come out really nice. So I make sure that I rub everywhere. Those places that you have cut, you make sure you put it inside. So this is me arranging it in this my oven net. Okay, for it to sit properly. Do I leave it for like how many minutes before I put it inside the oven? No, I didn't keep it. I just put it straight. Guys, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Let me know if you are going to try this out. Okay, let me know if you're going to try. Imagine using this to cook that your ogbolo soup or your okra soup or your melon soup, any kind of delicacy, like any kind of food that you want to cook. Imagine using this to soak gari. Oh my god. Imagine using this to soak gari in the afternoon. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have watched up to this time, please do not forget to share this video. Okay, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Like the fish is giving. Bye.